Get ready to explore the amazing world of DALL-E 3, where your creative dreams can come true, and the best part? It's all absolutely free. DALL-E 3 is OpenAI's latest version of their AI-driven art generator, and it's available to ChatGPT Plus or enterprise users. The newest DALL-E version promises to enhance image details and achieve greater accuracy in rendering faces, text, and even human hands. If you're not a paid ChatGPT user but are eager to explore DALL-E 3, here's the exciting news. You can now access DALL-E 3 completely free through Microsoft's Image Creator or Bing Chat. There's no waiting list or upfront cost. All you need is a free Microsoft email account. Let's try it out. Log into your Microsoft account or create a new one if you haven't already. Once you sign up, you'll be granted 100 boost points for faster image generations. If you run out, you can still generate images, but it'll take longer. Also, you can use Microsoft rewards to redeem additional boosts and continue enjoying faster processing times. Initiating image generation is as simple as typing in your prompt. Here's a pro tip: it works best when you're highly descriptive. Add adjectives, specify locations, and even incorporate artistic styles like digital art and photorealistic. The more details you provide, the more realistic your images will become. For example, instead of merely typing cactus, why not try something like a cactus wearing a Hawaiian shirt and strumming a guitar, digital art? This will give you high quality and professional results. DALL-E 3 is also great at integrating text into generated images. Let's tweak our prompt a bit. A boy wearing a shirt with text "I am awesome." Look at these charming images with our desired text "I am awesome." You can also utilize Bing Chat to generate images with DALL-E 3. Simply use prompts like create an image or generate an image to request the chatbot to generate your desired images. And that's not all. You can also upload an image and ask Bing Chat to provide a description of the image. It's truly impressive. Alright, you're now well equipped with the knowledge of how to utilize DALL-E 3 for free. Get ready to turn your thoughts into visuals like never before. Sign up, dive in, and let your imagination run wild. If you enjoyed this video, remember to check out our video on Poe, your gateway to hundreds of AI chatbots, or dive into our curated AI art playlist to discover a treasure trove of similar creative tools. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more exciting content ahead.